Okay, so this is a quick video to show you that this Pioneer PL-12, this is the original PL-12. It's not the PL-12D or E or R, it is just plain PL-12, and it works beautifully. Only thing is it doesn't have a lid, so it's got the fittings there for the lid, but it doesn't have the actual lid. So if that's not a big deal for you, go ahead and buy it. It's really beautiful. So I'm gonna just put on this record here, and you can see it turns. And what we'll do now is we'll just drop the needle.
Here I am again in this mean old town, and you're so far away from me. Now where are you when the sun goes down? You're so far.
I'm not using the best speaker equipment, but it's what I have available for testing at the moment. But as you can hear, it plays nicely. Look at the pictures and see the rest of the insides and everything that I show there. I'll play one more here.
That's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the TV. That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Money for nothing and you choose for free. Now that ain't working. That's
Okay, well, there you go.